So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see sorting algorithm. So let's start. So sorting algorithms are fundamental to computer science, playing a crucial role in organizing the data efficiently. To organize the data efficiently, sorting algorithms plays the important role. Okay, so they arrange the elements of a list or array in a specific order, such as in ascending or descending. So basically, the sorting algorithm is arranging the elements in ascending or the descending order. Okay. So next point is the choice of sorting algorithm depends on factors such as, so first is size of the data. Okay, so for small data sets, simple algorithms like bubble sort or insertion sort might be sufficient. Okay, and for large data sets, more efficient algorithms like merge sort or quick sort or heap sort are preferred. Okay, so the size of data matters. Okay, if the size is small, then bubble sort or insertion sort might sufficient for sorting the data. Okay, and if the data set is large, then efficient algorithms might be um, merge sort or quick sort. Okay, it will be preferred as compared to the insertion sort or bubble sort. Okay, so the next point will be order of the data. Okay, if the order of the data already nearly sorted, then insertion sort might be a good choice. If the data is nearly sorted, means we have to not sort much of the data. Okay, then insertion sort will be a good choice. Okay, then third point will be memory constraints. uh, some algorithms like merge sort require additional memory. Okay, it might not be available in certain situations. So the sorting techniques like merge sort require additional memory. Okay, in some cases the memory is not available in the system, so it is the depending factor. So the fourth point will be stability. So some sorting algorithms preserve the relative order of the equal elements. Okay, and which might be important in certain application. Okay, these are the four choices of algorithms depend on these factors. Okay, now I have taken the example. Okay, um, so I have write an array here. So and this is in unsorted array. Okay, now after sorting this array will be in ascending order. Okay, and or it will be in descending order, so it will be like this or like this after sorting. Okay, so the type of sorting algorithm will be bubble sort, insertion sort, selection sort, counting sort, merge sort, or the quick sort. There are many more algorithms or techniques, but I have written here only 6, and this we will see one by one in further videos. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.